Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can correctly uninstall Visual Studio Code from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So this process is the same whether you're on desktop or your laptop. To get started, you need to look for control panel on your computer, and if you can't see this control panel, then just go to the start menu here, click on it and search for control panel. You can see it is already coming out. It is. I'll tap on it, and under control panel look for programs and features. If you tap on this, here you'll see a list of all the programs that are installed on your computer. Go through the list and look for Visual Studio Code. So you can see mine is here. To uninstall it, just click on it, and by just clicking on it, you should see we have an option to uninstall here. If you don't see it, just right click on it and you should see an option to uninstall. So if you go ahead and uninstall, you'll get this pop-up where you have to confirm that indeed you want to completely remove Visual Studio Code and all its components. So I'll confirm by typing on yes, and this will begin uninstalling the program from our computer. Once it is done, now you'll get this notification that Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. Proceed and just click on OK. And as you can see, the shortcut that we had is no longer on our computer or laptop. So that's how you can permanently delete or remove from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.